This video is about the terminal strip that's built into the wall housing for our Rittenhouse model RCM4 master station. So this is the terminal strip, and on it are 6 screws. And these screws each have specific connections. These first 2 screws on the left are, it says ENT, are for the entry door stations. Entry door stations are door speakers, what you would have on your front porch, your side door, or the rear entry door of your house. There's 2 wires that come from each speaker station and would be connected to these 2 screws for essentially door station. These 2 screws here, it says trans and com, and those are where the wires from the remotely mounted low voltage transformer would be connected. An RCM4 is a 24 volt AC system, and it would have a pair of wires that come from the transformer, and one wire gets connected to trans and the other one says com. Now, just as a point of interest, why is it trans and com? Why isn't it transformer and transformer? Because Rittenhouse started off as a doorbell company, and in the world of doorbells, connections on doorbells are most of the time labeled as trans for transformer and com for common. So that's where that comes from. Also, it's because these last 2 screws, it says FR for front and rear at the bottom, these are for the doorbell push buttons for the front door and the rear door on a house. An RCM4 master station has a built-in 2-door, 2-note mechanical doorbell. The front door goes ding dong and the rear door goes ding. So you would have 2 wires that come from each push button, one push button on the front porch, one push button at the rear door. 1 wire from each button would get connected to the front button to the front screw, 1 wire from the rear button to the rear screw, and then the second wire from each button would also be connected to the common terminal, because the doorbell is deriving power from the same remotely mounted transformer that powers the intercom. The wires on the back of these terminal connections back here come around to this multi-pin socket right here, and there's a matching plug on the bottom of the RCM4 that gets plugged into here, and that's how the connections get tied into the master station. So that's what this terminal strip is for.